Hi, in this video today I want to show you how you can clean the cutting blade on your Dymo label printer. So if you find that when you press this in it's not cutting very nicely, you might need to just clean it. So first thing we're going to do is make sure that the machine is off, and then we're going to press this little button in here and just pull the back compartment down like so. And we have this tiny little hole just here. We need to insert something like a little paper clip or a tiny little screwdriver into it, and we just need to press in. Now, instead of just going straight down, if you do it at a bit of an angle like this, it makes it much easier to take this blade out. So I'm just going to have it at around about this angle. I only have to go in just so far and just press in like that, and then it allows me to take this out nice and gently. Be really careful with this because this is a sharp blade that will easily cut your finger. You can see how it works there. So this is the blade here. And the bit that you're pressing in is just this little catch here. Can you see this little catch? So when you go in at an angle, all you're doing is pressing that bit in like there. It just makes it easier to come out than going in straight, and then it kind of snags a bit on this. So if you go in here like that, that's all you're doing. Now make sure this is nice and clean. You can already see that there's a little bit of cut paper here, so you might have it completely clogged up with little bits of cut paper. So get yourself a little toothbrush or a little brush and just wipe away all the cut bits of paper, and then you can give it a nice good clean. So you can get your Q-tip, your cotton swab here, and give everything a nice good clean. If it's particularly dusty and clogged up, then you can soak this in some isopropyl alcohol, and then that will then evaporate off without damage anything. This is 99.9%, so it's pure. And just give that all a nice good clean. Once it's clean, you're going to be putting it back in. It can only go in one way. You can see it's shaped like this, and that's shaped like that. So don't put it in that way there, it's not going to fit. Do it the way that it's shaped. It goes in like that, and all you've got to do is push it home, and it automatically clips back into place there, because the little clip has just clipped in. And that's it. Then you just close it, and hopefully from now on it will be cutting nice and clean again. Thanks for watching.